thought-provoking, I believe, the best way to pronounce it and make the audience understand what we are trying to say.
Well, Corona edition. We're doing. Don't touch the thing. You keep touching the thing. What? Don't touch this thing.
This thing?
Don't touch this thing.
I just moved my head.
I know, because the blanket is attached to the thing, kind of.
Okay.
So just try not to touch the thing.
Don't mute things. No, it's fine.
Uh-oh, poopy time.
What was that the point of that? Don't do these. You can't do that on.
I'm not going to do it on air.
Don't do it on air.
I won't do it on air.
Okay.
Don't be so nervous. Just, you gotta talk.
Okay. So
just do the alphabet or whatever. It doesn't matter.
Alphabet. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J. Okay, it's hard.
Yeah, this is unfortunately the broken microphone, which unfortunately means that it has a dent in it facing towards Noah, which means Noah's voice is going to sound more gay than normal.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't, does it?
It doesn't.
Wait, no, bent, because you're not straight. You.
That's not great. That's not a good joke.
I'm just not.
Hello.
Okay.
But my hand smells of smoke, so I'm sorry.
It smells actually really bad.
Does it?
It does.
Can you smell it?
I really can.
Pee-poo, pee-poo, yes.
Voice test. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Dominic.
Dominic, can I get a Gumbas?
I've run out of all my Gumbuses.
Want to walk with all by myself. I think he likes it.
He's looking dead at me. He's
no, he knows. He knows what he did. He knows exactly what he's done.
He's staring at me. No, he's right there staring at me.
I'm not a fan of this. He's like, I want attention now.
Hold me. Hold my hand.
Hold your hand.
It's really annoying me that one of your sleeves is rolled down and the other is rolled up. What?
Shit happens, man. Shit happens. Okay.
Hello. Алло, привет всем. Как дела? Если тут кто русский, то вы меня поймете.
Man, these communists I just can't stand them.
Yeah,
fucking commies.
Wow.
Oh, they're real pieces of shit.
Chinese communists, yep.
No,
in the universe of Fallout.
Hello. You want me to speak?
I
Loud
do, yeah.
and clear? Very
You
good.
want me to speak,
Hello.
I know for certain.
We have to do it again.
Wait, why would you talk?
What? That's a cool sound effect.
Yeah, it's like typewriter. It's like a heavy machine typewriter.
I think it's more like a gun or something. Yeah.
Or like a train, a locomotive.
Okay. Well, we'll do a quick transition. Do it at the same time.
All right. So. A, B, C, D. Wait, no, I don't want to say it now. You're not going to let me finish.
I'll let you finish. Go do the alphabet if you need to.
No, I'm going to do something else.
You can do numbers. You can count to 10.
No. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wonder what you
Jesus.
are.
Okay.
Is that okay?
That's fine. Duffy?
Hello. I think Alex is still very soft.
Okay, fine. I'll speak louder.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? Stuck at home with coronavirus.
Oh, we should talk about that.
I have it on the show.
Okay, great.
That's the first topic.
That's why are we recording during school hours?
Okay, start recording. Hi, we're doing a quick mic test now. If you could just say the alphabet, Charlotte.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Why am I singing it?
Just say it. Don't do the giggles.
A, P,
just focus,
C,
relax. It's all okay.
D.
Well, it's not really.
E,
Could you? It's not in the middle. Could you shift a bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you shift a bit to the left?
Okay.
There you go.
Ooh, man! Don't mess with the. This is like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Gotta do it like I'm used to it, bitch.
And we're doing a recording test.
Good morning, San Diego. Wait, no. Good morning, worldwide global people. How are you?
And I'm going to say something. Then you're going to say something now.
Hi.
Just normal tone.
Sorry. Well, those North Koreans really know how to prevent the coronavirus.
You want to center yourself?
Yeah.
You centered? Can you do your best American for me?
My fellow Americans.
Is it really? Is that your presidential
this
American?
Is my presidential voice.
I find it's a bit Frank Underwood.
I told you once.
I think it's a bit Frank Underwood.
This is a bit Frank Underwood. Wait,
no.
or am I really deep south?
You're not. Neither. That's not a very deep south. I don't think. No, I did, Jenny. We're done now. And now we're back. Doing another little voice test. You hear, bud?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what you're hearing right now?
I'm hearing a very bad American accent.
You know, is my normal voice just a bad American accent?
No. Yeah.
Is it perfectly normal? Yeah.
It is exactly
okay.
57.
No, but speak like a normal, like, hi.
Just say hi.
I'm
Hi.
Charlotte.
Guys, I'm gonna do my voice. The one that I do. Like, you know, when I go like, no.
Okay.
Don't do the
While
voice.
we're listening to Charlotte, let's see how we sound.
How's it going, Dunphy?
Oh my gosh, I think this is the first time we've been so far apart doing hot air. It's just crazy, the technical...
Stop. We're done. We're redoing this. Dunphy, you're going to say a couple things.
Am I going to say a couple things?
Yeah, you're saying a couple things now.
Am I, though?
Yeah, just sentences.
Or is this just reality?
Can you just say sentences?
Sentences. A few sentences. Many sentences.
Hi, that is wonderful that we are testing audio.
Right?
Like audio testing.
Isn't it great that you smell terrible? Thank you.
Is fully operational. You may fire when ready.
The Death Star is fully operational.
Execute Order 66.
Man, you guys are such nerds.
Henceforth, you shall be known as Darth.
Yes.
Nice. Yes. Alright, that's good.
Anger.
Have I got some porn open?
You do? Dunphy, gross. Come on. Was it really?